Hello students, so I hope you have revised the previous lecture. So today again we are going to continue with some of the topics. So let's discuss them now. What is a screensaver? A screensaver is any moving picture, or you can say any graphic text or a graphic image that is displayed on the computer screen when you do not use the mouse or you are not using the keyboard for some specific amount of time. At that time, a moving picture or graphic is being displayed on the computer screen. Let's discuss now how to change the screensaver. In order to change the screensaver, the steps are: number 1, click on the screensaver link in the personalization window. This displays the screensaver settings dialog box. In the screensaver settings dialog box, choose the screensaver that you want to use from the screensaver list, and in the wait box specify the time, specify the minutes for which the computer should remain idle before the screensaver is displayed, and then click on OK button. A desired screensaver will be applied. We can also display our pictures as screensaver by choosing the photos option from the screensaver drop down box. By default, it will display the pictures in the picture folder as a slideshow. Next topic is screen resolution. The screen resolution determines the amount of information that you can view on the computer screen at any given time. A higher screen resolution makes everything appear smaller on the screen, and the lower screen resolution makes everything appear larger on the screen. So you can choose according to your requirement. Look at the steps now to change the screen resolution. Firstly, click on the Adjust Screen Resolution link under the Appearance and Personalization section in the Control Panel window. So, बच्चे, you can note it down here. In every question, the window is Control Panel, and inside the Control Panel window, we have to work under the Appearance and Personalization section. So, according to this question, under the Appearance and Personalization section, we have to choose Adjust Screen Resolution link. This will display screen resolution window. Now click on the drop down arrow next to the resolution and move the slider to the resolution you want, that how much value you want for the resolution, so you can set it from that. At last, click on OK or apply button. The screen resolution changes accordingly and the display settings dialog box will appear. Now keep the changes in order to use the new resolution, or click on the revert to go back to the previous resolution. So this is the last topic of the chapter, changing the system date and time. So there are two methods by which you can change the system date and time. The first method is you can change the date and time from the control panel window, and the secondly you can change it from the taskbar. So let's look at these methods now one by one. Again in the control panel window, now click on the clock, language and region link. So a set of options will get open related to the date and time and region and language. Now click on the set the time and date link. Date and time dialog box will appear. Now click on the change date and time button under the date and time tab. Date and time settings dialog box will get appear. Inside the date and time settings dialog box, change the required date and time. The second method is changing the date and time directly from the taskbar. This is the shortcut method. Rather I should say it is the simplest method. Just you need to click on the date and time in the notification area on the taskbar that will appear on the right side of the taskbar. So click on the date and time. A date and time dialog box will get appear. So change the required date and time from that box. Let's discuss the questions now. These questions are to be done on the fair notebook. Number 1, what is the significance of control panel window? In this you have to write the importance or role of control panel window, that how the control panel window is helpful in changing the screen resolution or changing the screensaver. How you can open it? We can open it from the start button. So you have to write the steps: start button, then control panel option. Second, define theme. What does it include? So theme, in this you have to write the definition of a theme. Then what does it include? It includes 3 options that you have to write. So for that, go to the lecture 1 video and then from that video understand it and then write the answer. What do you understand by screen resolution? In this you have to write the meaning of the screen resolution and how does it affect the display of the items on the screen. Like the higher resolution will show the items appear smaller and the smaller resolution will make the things appear larger on the screen. Fourth question, the last one, how you can change the date and time of your computer. In this, need not to write the full-fledged steps, just you can simply write the shortcut menu, that is from the taskbar you can directly change the date and time of the system. I hope you have understood all the questions now. So do it in your fair copy.